Hello everyone and welcome back to Neil Explains. Today I come with this question 5 into parenthesis 12 divided 4 to the whole square. So those who have already solved this question, go and comment your right answer and I will solve this question stepwise. So first we will solve for this parenthesis part because we know the PEMDAS parenthesis will be first priority. So we will write 5 into parenthesis 12 divided 4, which will be 3 square. Now we will do the exponential, or you can say lastly 3 times 3 square. Okay, so 5 into 3 into 3, which is equals to 9. So we will write it later 5 into 9. Now in the next step 5 times 9, which equals to 45. So here right answer is 45. So subscribe our channel for more videos like this and check your maths and go in the description for more maths books. Thanks for watching.